Hey guys, so I got the 3 switches here rewired again. I got the bit of wire here fixed up. Anything left here now is I got to get the clarifier straightened out, because it's still an open clarifier. Also noticed that the 3-way LED here doesn't seem to want to work. So I don't know if that's got something to do with the clarifier being screwed with or not. But this is the bright and dim bright. That was the high-low for tone. This is CBPA. I'm gonna check that on the speaker back here. She's fine. And we got a hefty. So here. Anyway, just a little update on this. So we've got a hefty 4 watts. Channel 40. 405. 23. Now, I also had a friend of mine, or a viewer, asking me about clarifier, how open clarifier works. Basically, how that clarifier works is that the receive tracks to transmit and vice versa. So as you're moving your clarifier, you're actually shifting the frequency. So I'll just demonstrate. Of course, Ray is going into a dummy load, but as you can see, frequency changes. So basically, that's how the open clarifier works. But that's my next attack now, is that. So it's gator down.